put here.
Mad Max.
This is the Crisco Kid Block Party.
Today we're doing sesame ahi salad.
Hey guys, welcome to the stream.
Collapsible background kits from PhotoDiox are an easy and efficient way to set up a background or chroma key for your photo or video shoots in just about any location. Setting up your collapsible background kit is easy. Start by unfolding and extending the included 7-foot stand. Loosen the knobs, extend the stand poles, and lock them back into place. Next, take your included collapsible background and unfold it, popping it open. Lean it against the stand and then adjust the stand to your desired height. Pull the tabbed clip at the top of the stand back, push the collapsible background frame into the clip, and release the clip to lock the background into place. When you're done using your collapsible background, just pull the tabbed clip back and remove the background frame. Folding the collapsible background is a bit tricky and takes some practice. Start by holding the background lengthwise, then fold it together like a taco shell. Turn your left hand clockwise and pull the loop you create towards the center, creating 2 loops. Then pull the third loop into the other 2 and your background is folded. Perfecting this folding method takes a little practice and it may seem unwieldy at first, but you'll get the hang of it. Here it is again, slowed down. Now just slide the background into its included carrying bag. Click the link in the description below to get your PhotoDiox collapsible background kit today.